My main goal is to thicken my hair. As the split ends took their toll by shortening my hair, what was created was 2 layers. The very top, which is shorter, and the bottom, which is much longer. What I've noticed over just a month and a half or so that I've been doing this, the hair itself already looks a whole lot thicker, and it looks a whole lot healthier too. One of the things that I absolutely follow very, very carefully is the chart, so the lunar chart. So in July, between the 23rd and the 27th was when the hair needed to be blunt cut, and this appeared under thicken. So I used the Earth Essence shampoo as well as the floating Lotus conditioner. And on that day, actually July 25th, I also used these scissors for blunt cut and this comb to create those very thin wisps to comb it out and then to cut the edges. And just in a matter of a week, I've noticed that the hair itself has already begun to grow longer. So I would say that this is a success story. There's a long way to go. And as I look at the lunar chart, I see that the most important one will be in December, which is also under thicken. And between the 18th and the 19th will be the winter solstice. So when one continues to cut on the full moon, and particularly on the solstices and the equinoxes, the hair gets a wonderful boost. And that is what is happening. That is my update. Thank you so much.